Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to the Partner Study Center. We are going to do today doing is very important topic MCQ. MCQ question for the class 9 science. The chapter here fifth. The fundamental unit of life for a CBSE NCERT basis here, and which will be very important from the exam point of view, and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, fundamental unit of life. The fundamental unit of life, class 9 CBSE NCERT science here. And the fundamental unit is the most important chapter here from exam point of view. And today we are discussions all the question from a MCQ point of view. And there is also important for the all competitive exam here. And let's see question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Select the odd group from the following. You know that here I give a 4 sequence. And select the odd group, not a even, odd group from the following. A. Chlamydomonas, Paramecium and bacteria. B. Fungi, plants, animal. C. Sperm, neuron, amoeba. And D is a sedent, savon and virchow. Know that the sequence is most important. But first of all, you are important. You give a correct answer firstly and write the correct answer for the notebook. Okay? You know that you done the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is very clear here. Select the odd group from the following. Firstly here, Chlamydomonas, Paramecium, bacteria. That is the correct even sequence here. But examiner asked the odd sequence, not a even, odd. Fungus, plants, animal. That is the even sequence here, not a odd. Okay, A, B is rejected according to the question. And second, there is a C. The next is the C option here. The C options is given a sperm, neuron, amoeba. Sperm, neuron, amoeba. There is nothing as a sequence here. It means it is a odd group here. It means the option C is correct. Option C is odd here. Sperm, neuron, amoeba. Amoeba? Where is come to the amoeba? Sperm, neuron, amoeba. That's the odd group here. It means the C option is correct for this question. C option is correct. Sperm, neuron, amoeba. And let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, question here. The cell wall of a plant cell is made up of. The cell wall of plant made of. Cell wall of plant made of. Question is clear. A. Glucose, B. fructose, C. protein and D. cellulose. Question is very interesting. The cell wall of plant made of. But you are important. You give a correct answer to this question and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. You know that you done the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The cell wall of a plant cell is made of. Cell wall of plant made of. The options is important. Option is important. Glucose. No. The cell wall of plants are not made to the glucose. Okay. It means to the A option is incorrect here. B. Fructose. No. Fructose is nothing is a made of plants cell wall here. Protein. No way. The plant cell is made by the protein. Impossible. It means the C option is also incorrect here. And D. Cellulose. Yes. It is the correct answer. The cellulose is the made by the plant is a cell wall. Cellulose is important for the plant because made of cell wall for cellulose. It means the D option is correct. D option is correct. Cellulose, the cell wall of products of the cell wall. That's important. D option is correct. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Which of the following cell organelles can make a complex sugars from a simple sugar? Question is very clear. Which of the following cell organelles can make a complex sugar from a simple sugar? Complex to simple sugar. The cell organs is asking here. A. Ribosome, B. Lysosome, C. Endoplasma reticulum, and D. Golgi aperture. Question is very interesting. But first of all, you give a correct answer of this question. You know that you thought the correct answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is very clear. Which of the following is the cell organs can make a complex sugar to simple sugar? You know that. Remember that the Golgi operation, nothing is turned to the complex sugar to simple sugar. It means the D option is rejected here. See, endoplasma reticulum. Endoplasma reticulum is not involved here. A complex sugar to simple sugar is converted here. This is not a cell organ. That's the incorrect option. And lysosome also is here. I understand you. Lysosome is only is a societal bag. Not a complex sugar from the simple sugar is converted here. It means the A option is correct. Ribosome. Ribosome and their cell organs can make a complex sugar for a simple sugar. A is correct answer of this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Which structure in a plant cell is responsible for the providing the energy required to drive a cellular process? Question understand. Which structure is a plant cell is responsible for providing the energy required to be drive a cellular process? A. Chloroplast, B. Mitochondria, C. Nucleus, D. Golgi aperture. Question is very interesting. But first of all, you choose a correct answer for the four option. Okay, and write the correct answer for your notebook. Okay. I give you few seconds for this processing. Okay. You know that you done the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. You know that question is which structure is a plant cell is responsible for providing the energy required to drive a cellular process. Chloroplast is not applicable here. Chloroplast is not applicable. And Golgi aperture, nothing is a nucleus, nothing. But is the mitochondria is correct answer. Mitochondria is the most important. That is called to the powerhouse. The powerhouse because there is a ATP. Here is synthesis here. It means adenine triphosphate is the energy is required to drive a cellular process. It means the B option is correct here. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is important. And then let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here, gases exchange in the cell take place by. The gas exchange in the cell take place by A. Exocytosis, B. Diffusion, C. Osmosis, and D. Endocytosis. Question is very interesting and important also. But first of all, you are important. You give a correct answer of this question and write the correct answer for your notebook firstly. You know that you have to write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer here. Question is very clear. Question is the gases exchange in a cell take place by. There is a cytosis. Cytosis is not a gas exchanges here. Okay. But B diffusion. Yes. The B diffusion is a gas exchange cell. It means the B option is correct here. Diffusion. Diffusion is a B is correct for this question. Gas exchange in the cell take place by diffusion. Diffusion is the correct answer of this question. And let's see next questions here. Next question on your screen. Question here. human cheek cell are standing in the methylene blue. The human cheek cell standing in the methylene blue and mounted in the glycerin were observed with the help of compound microscope. The component of a cell which are were seen are. Question is very interesting. Option here cell wall, cytoplasma, nucleus seen here. B option is asking here plasma membrane, cytoplasma, nucleus, mitochondria seen there. And C option is asking here plasma membrane, cytoplasma, nucleus seen here. And D plasma membrane, cytoplasma, nucleus, mitochondria, lysosome, Golgi body. You know that the question is very clear. You made a human cheek cell standing on methylene blue. A mountain in there is a glycerin cell and is absorbed to the compound microscope. And the component of the cell which are you seen? But first of all, what you are seen for this question? Write the correct answer for your notebook. Okay? You know that you have a write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question here. Question is very clear. Human cheek cells study the methylene blue and mounted in the glycerin where is absorbed with the help of compound microscope. Compound microscope is the most important. They are observing of any slide. Okay. The component of cell which are the seen here. The seen. What is the seen here? Cell wall and cytoplasma and nucleus. You know that cytoplasma nucleus seen important, but a cell wall is not a seen here. It means to here wrong option. Cytoplasma nucleus seen, but not a seen or cell wall. B option is given here. B option asking a plasma membranes, cytoplasma nucleus, mitochondria. You know that there is a scene of plasma membranes here and cytoplasma also and nucleus, but not a mitochondria. Mitochondria is the wrong option. It means to totally is wrong here. B option is rejected because mitochondria is adding here. Okay. C plasma membrane, cytoplasma and nucleus. Yes, it is correct because there is a absorbing here plasma membrane, cytoplasma, nucleus. It means the C option is correct for this question. C option is correct for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Identify the common feature of mitochondria and plastocytoids. No, that is a question is very important. Identify the common feature of mitochondria and plastocytoids. A. Ability to produce ATP. B. Presence of DNA and ribosome. C. Presence of matrix called stoma. And D. Deeply folded inner membranes. You know that is a question is very clear. But you are most important. You give a correct answer of this question. Question is very clear. Okay. You know that you will write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Identify the common feature of mitochondria and plastocytoids. You know that mitochondria is most important to ATP, but not a plastocytoids. It means to A ability to produce ATP. It's the wrong option. The ATP produce a mitochondria, but not a produce a plastocytoids. It means to the option is wrong here. B presence of DNA and ribosome. You know that this option is correct here because mitochondria and plastocytoids they both are presence of DNA and ribosome. It means the common feature here. It means the B option is correct here. B option presence of DNA and ribosome is correct answer of this question. Mitochondria and plastocytoids is a common feature here. Presence of DNA and ribosome. B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Select the correct pair that are comprised of only unicellular organism. That's the question important. There's a correct pair that are comprised of only unicellular organism. A. amoeba and digiopus, B. paramecium and chlamydomonas, C. bacteria and fungus, D. plants and animal. Question is very interesting. But you are a intelligent. You write the correct answer of this notebook. Firstly, I give you a few seconds for this processing. Okay? You know that you write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is very clear here. Select the correct pair that comprise of only a unicellular organism. You know that A option amoeba and digiopus, there is not a correct pair here. Not a correct pairs here. And the B paramecium and chlamydomonas. Yes, it is correct is pair here. The paramecium and chlamydomonas is there is a correct pair. The comprise only for the unicellular organism. The B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. An organism has a poorly defined nuclear membranes in its cell. An organism has a poorly defined nuclear membranes in its cell. These organisms could be an. What is called here? This organism is called A. bacteria, B. animal, C. fungi, D. bird. What is called here? Question is very clear. But first of all, you clear the mind and write the correct answer of this question. Okay? You know that you write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question. Question understand? Question is very clear. All organism has a poorly defined nuclear membranes in its cell. The organism here, A. bacteria. A bacteria defined to the poorly defined to the nuclear membranes in its cell. A option is correct here. A bacteria. Okay? A bacteria is important here. A option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The transportation of material in the cell is done by. The transportation of materials in the cell is done by A. Golgi of complex, B. lysosomes, C. mitochondria, D. endoplasma reticulum. You know that this question is very interesting. But first of all, you check other knowledge and write the correct answer for the notebook. I give you few seconds for this processing. Okay? You have done the correct answer of the notebook? Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is very clear. The transportations of material is in their cell is done by. Transportation is a work. Whose cell is done by here? A. Golgi of complex? No way. Not a Golgi complex is done by this processing here. Lysosome? No way. Lysosome is called to the societal bag. There is an enzyme present here. There is not a transportation is the work done here. The lysosomes is only here a digestion of the dead cell. It means to B option is rejected here. And C mitochondria. Mitochondria is called to the powerhouse because there is important for the ATP, adenine triphosphate. It means mitochondria is not a transportation material here. That means the last option is here important. D. Endoplasma reticulum. Yes, it is the correct answer here. Endoplasma reticulum. The endoplasma reticulum is a transformations of material in the cell is done by the endoplasma reticulum. D option is correct for this question. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.